Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. The price line of KuCoin has been rejected by the resistance of a broadening formation, and I have been sharing with you that broadening formation in my previous videos as well. And this was my last idea that I shared about the KuCoin for my members at the Patreon. And let me show you this idea. And I've been telling you about this broadening formation on the YouTube as well, that the price line can have a nice reversal from here and it can hit this resistance of the broadening formation. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that I have also placed this RSI oscillator over here, and the price line was forming higher lows and RSI was forming lower lows. That was a hidden bullish divergence on the chart, and the price line reached at the very strong support of this broadening formation that is started here back in July 2021. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line broke down the support for a while but eventually moved up, and after hitting this resistance of the broadening formation, it is getting rejected and moving down. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then we can see that the support has been a little bit changed, because previously I was catching the support from here, but after this move, this is our new support, and you can see that the price line is having nice bounces by the support, and now after this rejection it is likely to move down. And we can also see that whenever it is rejected by this resistance, after testing this exponential moving average, this is the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart. So after testing this exponential moving average 21, it is also taking nice bounces, but here for a while the price line broke down the EMA 21 but eventually moved up again. Right now it is again testing the EMA 10, and you can see that at this time we have quite distance between the price line and the support of this broadening formation. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, it is also oversold. And here I would like to show you the RSI oscillator as well, and you can see that the RSI was previously forming lower lows and the price line was forming higher lows. At this time even the price line is forming higher lows, but the RSI is not forming lower low. Therefore this hidden bullish divergence we had here up till here, but after that even we had a nice rally, the price line followed this hidden bullish divergence. But right now the RSI is not forming lower low, it is following the price line exactly. It is also forming another higher low than previous low. But if we take a look at the price line, if the price line has formed higher than previous high, but if we watch the RSI, it has failed in forming higher than previous high. So there is a bearish divergence appeared on the daily time frame. Therefore we need to be careful, but I'm expecting that the price line is likely to form a higher low, then soon it can also form another higher than previous high that will remove this bearish divergence. Now at the same time, the price action on the daily time frame chart has formed this falling channel, this down channel as well, and you can see that we have let me just show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 touches at the resistance, and 1, 2, 3, 4 touches at the support. If I switch to the 12-hourly time frame chart, then it is more visible, this zigzag move between this channel, and you can see that we have also formed a bull flag as well. And the target for the bull flag will be, if I place this pole of the flag at the breakout point, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our target as per this bull flag will be $3.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.